Yay! The donuts are ready. Let's make them colorful. Do you know this color? It's pink. Wow! Pink is my favorite. Look! Do you know what color this chocolate donut is? Brown. Great! Another color. This color is white. Very good. Do you know this color? Yes, blue. Wow, blue is also my favorite color. What color is this? Purple. Awesome. Look, it's the same color as the trees. This color is green. I like this color, too. Okay, can you tell me this color? Orange. Excellent. Here comes the last donut. Yellow. Fantastic. Let's add the sprinkles. Wow, it looks super tasty. Woohoo! Yippee! That was awesome. Subscribe and join us for more tasty recipes.